Hi, this is me, Muhammad, an Excel expert, and in this video, I will walk you through how I helped a client to automate her daily reporting process using Power Query. So let's move to it. So client has basically had two files. One is the constant file, which doesn't need to update daily, but the second one is the file that needs to update daily, and she wants a merge of both of these files automated. So when she inputted new information in the daily report, it could automatically merge into the old file and show her the results. So let's move to the Power Query. So great. So as you can see there are total five queries there. One is the base folder query. This is the client, basically the base like constant file of the client that doesn't need to update daily. But she wants it because we had to merge the analyst name through this. So then this is the main file that will be updated daily by putting it in the new information. So I loaded them both of these files into the Power Query. Then I created an analyst map query to find out the analyst name by matching up the group ID. So in this new tab, like BVG statement, first I merge up the old and the new file by matching up the obligations ID. Here is that column. And then after this, I merge this new file by the analyst map query for finding out the names of the analysts by matching up the group IDs. As you can see there, in this new file, the analyst names are already present. So after this, I created a new tab like BVG aging for the client. So in this new tab, I created many custom columns using formulas according to the client specific logic. As you can see there, past due, current, PD, like many of them. And after this, the client needs are required as have a specific uh, instruction for these high value past due column. So I created also this for the slicer. So now let's move on to the Excel sheet and let's explore that one. Great. Now in this Excel sheet, as you can see, there is a BVG statement and BVG aging tab that we have created in the Power Query. So now there's a total PD and aging summary tab as well. These two tabs contains pivot tables for analysis. So I created pivot tables through these two tabs, and so now every now the client inputs the data into her daily file. The reports and pivot tables will be updated automatically just one click. So added up the two slicers. Both of these slicers are created through the custom columns using formulas for according to the client specific requirements. So like as you can see there, it can update it very clearly. Great. Now you can move on to the next tab, which is aging summary. It is also a pivot table created according to the client's requirements, and it also contains a one slicer. So what I did to the slicers, I connect the slicers, both of the two slicers like analyst final in both of these two tabs. So once I update it, like I click Lisa in this pivot table gets updated, but also the total PVD, the pivot tables is also gets updated through Lisa. So I connected both of these two slicers to both of these two pivot tables so client see her results very clearly. So now I can remove this slicer here. It will be automatically removed from there, as you can see. Now these two tabs are the constant tabs. I just copy them and paste them from the sheet that client gave it to me. So in these two tabs, doesn't need any kind of automation. These just are the information of our clients like, so she can put up and enter information whenever she wants. Both of these two tabs works the same. I applied constant visual formatting across the complete workbook. I also gave her the usage guide in the Word format, so how she can use it and updates on her own system. So basically, Power Query requires the basically the folding folder path. So the whole workbook was built on my system according to my folder paths. But when she opens the workbook on her system, she must needs to connect the paths to her own paths. So, but I delivered the usage guide, but the client was not so much technical. So I jumped into her system and fixed the folder paths on her system. So whenever she wants, she can update these files. She can definitely use these files without any hurdles. So then by fixing up the folder paths, the main issue for the client gets resolved. And now the final result was the clean automated Excel workbook and with the pivot tables for analysis. If you are tired of merging reports and updating them manually, this is exactly the kind of automation I can build for you. So thank you for watching.